Okay, so I've got Kiara sitting in the corner here. I'm just looking at ambient exposure, and I'm on ISO, I want to be 125th again at least, and I'm on ISO 800, so I'm going to have to crank up the aperture a little bit here, the ISO. So I'm on ISO 800, and I think that gives me a pretty good result. So I'm quite happy with that. Alright, so I've got all the guys shooting now. We're shooting with two ice lights here. There's one to the left of the camera, and there's also one to the right of the camera. And so I'll just take a test shot, just see what it's like. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay. Alright, Kiara, can you just look this way just for a minute, just so I can get a couple? Beautiful. Love it. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Now put your hands sort of just like that. Now that's it. Actually, take the top off, because we'll do a couple without the top.
Yes.
All right, so let's have a look. Really pretty. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Lovely. Okay, I'll let everyone have a shoot now.
You're slightly underexposed.
Yeah, I usually do shoot a little bit under, usually.
So
yeah.
if you have to push it
yeah.
up, always do it up.
Yep, the only time you've got to be careful is if it's very high ISO, then it's very dangerous because it shows noise. But in this condition where you're only probably shooting with 400, 500, yeah, it won't matter.
No.
Yep. No, you might have to come in a fraction closer, I think. Yeah, that's better. So like I said, normally I wouldn't shoot ice lights in these scenarios, but with everyone working with me, it's a lot easier than just trying to flash everything. But we'll see how the results look once we do it. Now come in and do a few tighter ones too, guys, while you've got that lovely bricky background. Beautiful. Perfect. So do a few head and shoulder ones.